how to buy Habibi CZ token. So this token came under the symbol of Habibi. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 11 on the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, open your Bitget wallet for that. Now go open your wallet. Now select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Habibi. So after you find it, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. And from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive next to that token. After that, clicking on swap. And you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Habibi token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.